Okay, welcome to this session of our class. In our previous class or session, we just try to find derivatives of trigonometric function, and we just saw how to derivate or find the result of d by dx of tan x and sec x, the derivative of tan and sec. Now let us see what is the derivative of cot x and cot x and cosec x. Before doing that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and strike the ring button to get the notification. So let's start our work. D by dx of cot x is nothing but what? D by dx of cot x is what? Cos x over sin x. This is nothing but cos x over sin x. This is the whole derivative. This is the derivative of the quotient, okay? Where cos x acts as fx, sin x acts as g of x. So this is equal to the derivative of cos x times sin x minus the derivative of sin x, which is on the denominator, times the one on the denominator cos x over the square of the denominator, which is sin square x. So this is equal to what? The derivative of cos x. From the previous class, we know the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We have sin x here. Minus the derivative of sin x, again remember, is cos x times cos x over sin square x. This is equal to minus sin x is sin square x, minus here this is cos square x over sin square x. Okay, pulling out this negative, we have sin square x plus cos square x over sin square x. From the identity rule of trigonometric function, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Therefore, this is minus 1 over sin square x. But this is simply minus into 1 over sin x the whole square. 1 over sin x is how much? 1 over sin x is cos x square. This is minus cosec square x. This is minus cosec square x. This is the result of this one, or simply d by dx of cot x. Cot x is nothing but minus cosec square x. This is the result. This is the result. This is the result. Let's see the second example and the last example for this class. As a solution, d by dx of cosec x. Cosec x. You remember what's cosec x? Cosec x is 1 over, this is cosec x, let me write it. D by dx of cosec x is 1 over sin x, or simply 1 over sin x, the whole derivative. This is equal to how much? 1 is acting as f of x and sin x is acting as a g of x. Therefore, quotient rule, derivative, one derivative. There was a derivative of what? Sin x minus, as usual. Just we are treating one as f of x and treating sin x as g of x. It's simple. So this is sin x derivative times 1 over sin x is on the denominator from the quotient rule of derivative. you square the 1 and the denominator. So 1 derivative, the derivative of constant is 0. 0 times sin x is 0. So we have minus the derivative of sin x from the very beginning of our class. The derivative of sin x is cos x times 1 is cos. Therefore this is sin square x. So this is equal to minus cos x over sin x times 1 over sin x. And this is equal to, what's cos x over sin x? Cos x over sin x is cot x times 1 over sin x is cosec x. Hence, we have got the derivative of cosec x is equal to minus cot x cosec x. This is the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave comments beneath the video. Thank you.